everyone! In this video I'll show you how to crochet chain stitches and create a foundation chain. This foundation chain is where any crochet project begins. So let's get started. First, I'll make a slip knot. If you are unsure how to do this, you can watch a tutorial in one of my previous videos. The link is in the description below this video. After making the slip knot, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop. This is our first chain stitch. Then yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loop to make the second chain stitch. Keep chaining until you have the desired number of stitches. For this example, let's make 15 chains. So the third one, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Here's the foundation chain we created. So thank you for watching. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and let me know if you were able to make this chain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more useful tutorials. And see you next time!